Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you about how you can download Among Us in your PC and laptop in 2026. So let's get started. So in order to do this, make sure you have Steam installed in your PC. In order to install Steam, what you have to do is open any web browser you like. For my case, I'm just going to use Microsoft Edge and search for Steam download. Once you do this, just click on this download button which is below welcome to Steam. Just click on this and click on install Steam. Once you do this, this will install an installer for Steam, and after you run the installer, it will install Steam in the default location. Once the installation completes, you will find the Steam application on your desktop here. Just run this application and this will open your Steam and search for Among Us. Just click on Among Us and then click on add to cart. Once you do this, just click on view my cart, and after this click on continue to payment, and then you have to add your card details and everything here. Once you add card details and approve the payment, the game would be added to your Steam library and would be ready to install. Just click on the game and then click on install button, and this will ask where to install your game. After this, once you set the directory to where the game installs, wait for the game to finish installing, and after that you will find the game application on your desktop. Just double click or run as administrator, up to you, and the game should be working fine. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below, and thanks for watching.